Okay, so I've been busy trying to capture data that we can use as teachers to try to figure out, what are the most effective spots in our courses that we can work on. Sometimes SRIs are very generalized, and it's hard to know kind of what to do from there. And so, what this system that I've set up will do is it'll show you your weakest module, what you can do to improve that module, and then as we make these minor improvements step by step, we focus on those weakest modules, build them up, and the course as a whole, we should be able to see some progress there. Now, if I go over to my Qualtrics homepage, I have a dashboard worked out for my classes. So down here I have my MBA class. Up here, this is my 3300 class. And you see I have this broken up by whether it's face-to-face or online. These are their satisfaction ratings. Here I've just counted potential issues. So these are the number of students that rated a 3 or less. And then right here, this is sorted by how recent it was, the survey completion was. And so you see right here, here's the survey I just took. I hate you, and it has a 1 satisfaction. These I also focus here on only those who gave satisfaction scores 3 or less. So it kind of helps you drive down and figure out, okay, what are the main things that are popping up, main issues popping up with this module. And so if you if if you catch it, like maybe an online class, this has happened to me this semester. I've had some students kind of trudging ahead, and I see little things that they are saying, so I can make little updates to help my students coming up forward. Nothing like that's going to affect their grade or anything, but little tweaks through the user experience. But then also, I've been making tweaks throughout. So even though some tweaks all of my students missed, those tweaks as I copy my course for next semester will be made. And the other thing is, sometimes they have comments that just, it's not necessarily for a particular module, but as kind of how I'm running the course in general, and little things like that, I can make tweaks of. For instance, this survey, when I first had it, it was formatted differently. It was a little confusing. Where does the code come from that I put into the quiz, and all this? So I was able to take that feedback, update all the quizzes, and good to go. So it's been really cool. I'm learning a lot about my course and little simple things that I can do to update it. Okay, so if I wanted to show you, if I wanted to dive a little bit deeper, also, I can go to the results page for this survey. And what's cool about this is, say I want to, I'm here on like I want to see what they said about chi-squared. So what did my online students say about chi-squared? Or here, what were the troubles that my students here saw? So if I click on this, unfortunately, I don't have this on the dashboard, but I can click on this and it'll sort it and show me what those in the chi-squared said. This is also like a feature I can't have in the dashboard. We don't have that enabled with our accounts. But here's the word cloud, and then here are students that specifically scored 3 or less for that module. Okay, I can click that again to bring it back, and okay, well, what did my face-to-face students have to say about this? There were 2 face-to-face students, and this is what they said there. So it's kind of cool. I wish I had this function in dashboard as well, but this helps you really dive deeper into what's going on with each module, like get a zoomed in view of it. So yeah, I'm just really excited about this project, and I'm excited to see how we can apply it here in the business school and